Hello, everyone. This is Miss Jackson, and I wrote a little book about myself so you can get to know me a little bit more. Now, normally I send this home at the beginning of the school year, and it's kind of hard to do that this year. So I thought I would make a little video of me reading the book to you, and feel free to watch this with your family as well. Would you like to know more about Miss Jackson? This book is about your first grade teacher. Please read it with your family and return it to school the next day. And luckily, you don't have to worry about returning it because it's a video. So, my name is Sarah Jackson, and this is my 19th year teaching at Meriwether Lewis. I taught kindergarten for 10 years before teaching first grade. I was born September 12th, 1978. At the top, you can see some pictures of my parents holding me when I was born, and then at the bottom, you can see some pictures of me when I was 3 and 4 years old. When I was 7 years old, my little brother was born, and the bottom picture shows me pretending that I'm a teacher. My mom jokes that she always knew I was going to be a teacher because I was always trying to teach my stuffed animals. I went to Albemarle County Public Schools as I was growing up. So this page shows you my kindergarten, first, second, and third grade pictures. 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th grade. 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th grade. And here I am in 12th grade. Growing up, I had 4 oral surgeries, meaning I had 4 surgeries on my mouth, and I had 2 different foot surgeries. When I was a teenager, I won the Governor's Award for Volunteering Excellence. So when I was younger, I did a lot of volunteer work with children who had disabilities, and there were several articles written about me and me winning this award. I graduated from the University of Virginia with a degree in psychology and a master's degree in elementary education. My husband's name is Mark, and we've been married for 15 years. He is an electrician. I have a daughter named Lily, who's 12, and a son named Colin, who is 9. My daughter Lily is artistic. She loves to read and play the ukulele. My son Colin loves to read as well. He loves collecting coins and coding, especially on the computer and making games. My parents are in the top picture, and we're with my brother when he graduated from the police academy. And then at the bottom, you can see my little brother Chris, his wife Corey, and my nieces Elena and Holly, and my nephew Matthew. This is my house, and I live in Gordonsville, which is about 40 minutes from Meriwether Lewis. My husband and I renovated the house before we got married, and of course, as most parents will tell you, we still have work we're doing on the house and want to do. I have a whole lot of pets. So my first pet is a cat named Penny, and she is a Manx cat. She does not have a tail. And I also have a cat named Tea-Berry. She's my favorite. Besides 2 cats, my family has an assortment of other pets. We have a guinea pig, who is named Allie, 2 rabbits named Buttercup and Patch, 2 rats named Dominic and Tyler, and a fish tank full of fish. About 5 years ago, I had a nasty break in my ankle, and I had to have several surgeries on my ankle. And the top picture shows what is the inside of my ankle looks like now. It has a bunch of pins and rods and screws kind of holding it all together. On a happier note, I love T-Rex dinosaurs. My favorite color is blue. I like to cross-stitch in my spare time, and I've done a lot of this while I've been home during quarantine. My favorite movie is Groundhog's Day, and my favorite television show is The Golden Girls. My favorite thing to do is lie in bed and read magazines. I like to color in adult coloring books. I love to drink pink lemonade, but I hate drinking coffee. I love to eat fruit more than vegetables, and my favorite treat is cheese fries. I love to exercise by going for walks and swimming, and my favorite sweet treats are Reese's peanut butter cups. And I have to hide these from my husband because he loves them as well. But I like to share too. I love trying new recipes and I collect cookbooks. My favorite place to shop is Target. I love to do word finds. I like to listen to all kinds of music, and my favorite kid group is Cuckoo Kangaroo. My favorite book as a child was The Little Rabbit, and it had a character in it named Sarah, which is my name. And my grandfather used to raise rabbits, so I felt like the book was kind of about me. My favorite book now is T-Rex Trying, and I told you earlier I love T-Rex dinosaurs, so this book is all about the things that the T-Rex is trying to do, but he has a hard time because he's got really short arms. My favorite season is spring. At home, I love to vacuum, but I hate to dust. My favorite word is sneakers. I love to go camping, and my family camps in a pop-up camper. My favorite day of the week is Friday because I get to wear jeans to school. I can wiggle my ears, and remind me, and I'll show you guys one day. I hate it when kids wiggle their loose teeth. Ugh. After having 4 oral surgeries, I'm not a big fan of teeth, so it grosses me out when kids wiggle their teeth. I hate snakes. My favorite game is Uno. It's my dream to write a children's book one day. And it's also a dream to live at the beach one day. On the next couple of pages, you'll see all the kids that I've taught through 19 years. This is my 19th year of teaching. So here's my first year, and here we go through some more classes. And as you can tell, I have taught a lot of children over the years. And the top picture, you can see that's the year I broke my ankle. That's why I'm in the wheelchair. Now, last year my class didn't get a chance to take a class picture, so I kind of made one for us. Also, last year I won the Golden Apple Award, and I feel very honored to have won it. So I hope you enjoyed learning about me, and I can't wait to learn more about you this year. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys soon.